What if the iconic Citroen DS got a high-tech, sporty makeover for 2026? This stunning concept, the DS Coupé Sport, blends retro charm with cutting-edge performance. And it might just be the future of luxury sports cars. Stick around as we break down its jaw-dropping design, insane specs, and whether this dream machine could actually hit the streets. Exterior. The 2026 Citroen DS Coupé Sport isn't just a car, it's a rolling work of art. Designed by Eduardo Benz, this concept takes the elegance of the classic DS and injects it with aggressive, aerodynamic styling. Front end, a wide sculpted grille paired with razor-sharp LED headlights gives it a menacing stare. Profile. The low sweeping roofline and sharp body creases scream speed even at a standstill. Rear. A carbon fiber diffuser, bold wing and sleek taillights complete its race-ready look. Wheels. Massive alloy rims wrapped in high-performance tyres hint at its power. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit fit for a spaceship. But with French luxury. Materials, Napa leather, brushed aluminum, and real wood accents create a premium vibe. Tech, a fully digital dashboard, touchscreen controls, and augmented reality displays keep the driver connected. Performance colon. This isn't just a pretty face, it's a performance monster. Powertrain, expected in plug-in hybrid or full electric versions, pushing 400 plus horsepower. Speed, 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3.1 seconds and a top speed over 250 km per hour. Range, up to 800 km on a charge, thanks to regenerative braking and ultra-efficient aerodynamics. Will it ever hit production? Right now, it's just a concept. But if Citroën greenlights it, this could be a game changer in the luxury sports market, blending heritage with hyper-modern innovation. Would you want to see this on the road? Comment below.